Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a hide show password interaction in Figma. This is a really useful feature to add to your design prototypes, especially if you're working on login screens or forms where users need the option to toggle password visibility. It makes your prototypes feel more interactive and realistic. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's get started. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the file where you want to create this interaction. Once you've got your file open, we'll begin building the password field from scratch so you can see exactly how this works. For this example, let's say we have a sample field for a password. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see the shape tools. Click the arrow down beside the rectangle shape, and from the drop-down, select ellipse. Now, input this ellipse on the right side inside of your password field. This will act as our show hide toggle button. After placing it, remove the fill color from the ellipse and add a stroke instead. This gives it a clean outlined look that works well for toggle icons. Next, click on the text icon and add some sample password text inside your field. You can type anything here just to represent what a visible password would look like. Once you've done that, highlight all the elements you just created, the password field, the ellipse, and the text, and press Ctrl-G on your keyboard to group them together. This keeps everything organized and easy to work with. Now hold down the Alt key and drag the entire group downwards to duplicate it. This second version will represent the hidden password state. On this duplicated group, change the sample password text to asterisks. This visually represents the hidden password. Then click on the ellipse in this second field and add a fill color to it, something like black or blue depending on your design preference. This filled ellipse will indicate that the password is currently hidden. With both states created, highlight all the elements from both groups. On the right side panel, click the three dots beside the component icon and select Create Component Set. This transforms your two states into a single interactive component set that you can toggle between. Now, switch to the Prototype tab on the right side. Click the ellipse on the first password field, the one with the visible password, and drag a connection to the second field. Set the trigger to OnClick. This tells Figma that when someone clicks the ellipse, it should switch to the hidden password state. Repeat this same step for the ellipse on the second field, connecting it back to the first field. This creates the toggle effect. To test your interaction, click on Asset on the right side and drag the component you just created onto your canvas. Then click the play button on the right side to enter presentation mode. Now try clicking the ellipse inside the field and you'll see the password toggle between visible and hidden states. And that's it. You've successfully created a hide show password interaction in Figma that brings your prototype to life. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.